So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 97,500. Of course, it has gone down towards 97,000 and our sweet area is 97,300 where it is sitting now. So the overall situation of Bitcoin is going according to what we believe and perceive with Bitcoin. We had $102,500 support area for Bitcoin, and I told you that as long as this holds, it can continue with this upward journey towards 110, 120, all those dreams. But if it is not able to hold that, then it's pointless to talk about 100K, 99K, 90, all that is rubbish, because we have our support at 97,300 and this thing works like a magnet. Once you start falling down, it attracts you. This time it does a bit of drama and then it comes down here, it will become a double top and it will be invalid anyway, because if it delivers, if it breaks below 104,000, it will start going down. Then things will become more fancy. Anyway, that is for short-term trade. If you don't care about that part, just ignore. As long as 102,500 holds, we are on an upward journey. The moment that breaks, then we will be talking about 97,300. And if that breaks, then we will be talking about 85. And it's not much of a drop. In a sense, it's only $5,000, $5,000 on 100K. It's nothing. In comparison, it's very small. I would be more concerned when we are seeing drops of 15K, but the market is getting smarter and they are doing it in a slow bleed method. This is my favorite way of market crashes. It's a slow bleed. It happens slowly and it catches a lot of moon boys. They all loses their apartments to it, because they go out and they keep on saying, do a DCA, it's buying opportunity is going to moon. And every day they wake up, it's another new low that they see. Or sometimes there is a little bit of a blimp. It goes up only to go down further. Look, this is a structure of creating lower highs. Every time there is a high, it is lower than the previous one. But it's too early to comment on it, and I have my 2025 financial crisis video out there. You can go and watch that. That is going to be fun. But at this stage, at least, we can enjoy the structure. So what do we expect? Well, it's simple. If Bitcoin is not able to live above 97,300 for more than 2 days, I have to assume that Bitcoin has started this beautiful journey towards $85,000, for which we have been waiting for quite a while now. If it conquers 97,300 and lives above it, then of course we are back to square one. This is a bullish support. We are going towards 102,500. After that, we will be singing the songs of 120K again. And right now, structure wise, there's nothing else to add. Bitcoin had its fair share of game. It created a double top here, then it delivered on it, and then it started breaking down again. So that's why with Bitcoin, the support and resistances, they work better in comparison to structures. Structures can be misleading sometimes in case of Bitcoin, because institutions and others are looking at it as well, and they can go out and use it against you, which is why when you look at the Bitcoin ETF inflow, you have $2 billion that have entered the Bitcoin in past 10 days, and the market just keeps on bleeding. Every time they are buying $500 million and it keeps on bleeding. The reason is that there is something internally flawed right now with the economy that is affecting Bitcoin. Even though people will tell you that it is a safe haven where people head to, that is not true. Safe haven was gold, and you can see the gold reaction today in the market, today and yesterday. And you can see how those who are safe haven actually behave when the market is bad, in comparison to when you have volatile assets like Bitcoin. People come to Bitcoin because they want crazy gains, because it's volatile. They don't come here because it is safe. Only people who are under the effects and impacts of some kind of drugs, weeds, when they're high, they start thinking that Bitcoin is safe. Then they go and invest. Otherwise, it makes no sense from that perspective. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. you're going to miss out on it. And I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.